Got Tung helping me here. Huh?
Throttle active.
Behind the shot. No, man, not salad tossing, man. That's a little different.
Middle ring.
Okay, I'm ready.
We'll be okay.
All right, hold on. Let me 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you. Oh, it took a little while to get enough speed.
Yeah.
There you go.
Were you full power?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that thing go.
I'm coming over.
Looks a little wobbly though.
Yeah, it is.
Is that always like that? Whoa.
Whoa. Was that you?
Yeah, did it just drop out of the air or something?
Was that you? That was you.
That was Mike.
Did somebody say Deadstick?
Oh yeah, John did. It's coming in from the left.
It's coming, okay.
He's gonna come right here. Ah! Good save! Yay!
Okay.
And there's Frank just being so stealthy. Is it actually fun to fly though?
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, it's a little different, challenging.
Yeah.
A little different challenge than like the props.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like it. So I'm just waiting to get that 90mm.
Yeah. You gotta get the airliner, dude. Get the airliner.
Yeah, I saw that too, but
Yeah.
the wingspan for that is way too big for.
Get it.
What
That's why you gotta get it.
No disassembling and reassemble for transport. I don't like that.
It does have a pretty sweet sound.
Thank you. Sounds like a EDF, I guess.
Dive. Whoa. Yeah, that was pretty fun. It just feels like it wiggles a lot. I don't know why. It's not even windy.
Yeah, it's a light plane though. Yeah, I mean, it's a light plane and.
Did you see it though? It like flutters a little.
Yeah. And my CG might be a little bit further back than like what, just a little tad bit than what you would normally fly it at. But.
Yeah. Look at this guy go. How much flight time do you have?
I'll tell you in just a second.
15 seconds.
I've got 15 seconds left. I'll be landing from the right. Let's bring you in. Get you. I keep forgetting I don't have rudder on this plane.
That's a good landing.
Thank you.
Middle ring.
On the field.
Throttle disabled.
Beautiful.